In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add songs to a playlist on Amazon Music. If you want to organize your music or build the perfect mix for a workout, commute, or study session, adding songs to a playlist is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through how to do it on the Amazon Music website or desktop app and share a few helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening the Amazon Music website in your browser or launching the desktop app. Once you're in, browse your library or explore the Home and Browse sections to discover tracks. If you have a specific song in mind, use the search bar at the top to type the song title, artist, or album. When the results appear, find the exact track you want to add. Next, look to the right of the song title for the three-dot icon, sometimes shown as an ellipsis. Click that to open the More Options menu. In that menu, choose Add to Playlist. You'll see a list of your existing playlists, so you can select one to drop the song in immediately. If you prefer to start something new, choose the option to create a new playlist, give it a clear name, and confirm. That's it. The song is now part of your playlist. You can repeat this process for as many songs as you like, and your playlist will update right away. A quick note on access. You usually need an active Amazon Music Prime or unlimited subscription to create and edit playlists. If you're on a free tier or a limited plan, some playlist features may be restricted. If you don't see the Add to Playlist option when you click the three dots, there are two common fixes. First, make sure you're in online music mode rather than offline. Offline mode can hide or limit certain actions because the app isn't connected to the full catalog. Second, check for app updates. Running the latest version often resolves missing buttons or unexpected behavior. Here's a handy extra. If you've been queuing up songs on your phone and love what you're hearing, you can save your current play queue as a playlist directly from the queue screen in the mobile app. It's a fast way to capture a vibe without adding each track one by one. And that's all you need. Open Amazon Music, find your song, use the three-dot menu, and add it to a playlist or create a new one on the spot. With these steps and tips, you'll be organizing your music like a pro in no time.